Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use the Ask Gemini feature of Google Chrome. So let's dive in to the demonstration. This is the page I'm using for the demonstration. I got to this page by doing this Google search. I have opened this link here in this tab. To use Ask Gemini in Google Chrome, click on this button and the Gemini chat comes up on the right. Add the question that you want to ask Google Gemini and hit send. Now, by default, the tab you are currently using is added as an attachment. To add multiple tabs, you can use this add button and choose the tabs you want to add or remove. You can change the model type and switch to Gemini Live using this button. In case you wish to pop this chat out, you can use this option or use this option to put it back into the window. In case you don't see this option here, just do a right click here and choose Pin Gemini.
Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.